Welcome, today in front of me SONY Xperia XZ2, and I'll show you how loud is speakers on this device. So I'll do this with the help of the decibel meter. I'll just turn on the decibel meter and I'll set here the maximum mode. Here, as can you see, I just enable the maximum mode. This mode means that when the decibel meter will register the higher volume, the value here on this display will change. So let's start. So as can you see, the SONY Xperia XZ2 reached the 170.3 decibels. So that's it, guys. Thank you for watching, and if you found this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment and to subscribe our channel.